Paco TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Action or goats, pigs, and chickens. Osanso edijuma eye efu no sanso ye bi wo eye krabua kota na ohone de juma odi ni se odua ube ene abe wabue nyuma ama nipa bebre na wasanso afa nipa bebre mu adwuma. Education makes him a fitting and distinguished chairman for this year's Farmers' Day celebration. And I know adofo na nanom panyin a yehye wa ye de nsem bo kese ebeton safre Mr. Stephen OHENE ADDO, chairman for this occasion. Umeyemu ensem. Enti adofo no na nanom abangu krache mpanyimfo chairman a ene unga paunini chairman.
I welcome everyone to today's program. As we hear from the MC, the theme for this year's 41st Farmers' Day celebration: Feed Ghana, Eat Ghana, Secure Ghana. Nananom, chiefs, distinguished guests, fellow farmers, friends of the land, this morning I say Ayuko to you all. On a day like this, the first words must be thank you. Thank you to the Almighty for the blessing of the good rains and the fertility of this soil. We stand here today because the earth has been generous. And thank you to my fellow farmers. Look around. The food on every plate comes from a powerful reminder of your incredible strength. The sun rises and sets, but your dedication never fails. We know the battles you fight against: the weather, pests, the market. Yet, season after season, you overcome them with resilience and faith. Hold your head high, for you are the true provider, and your persistence ensures nation's survival and growth. My greatest plea is to the future, to the bright young men and women among us. Do not think farming as a punishment or a thing of the past. It is the future of our economy. I tell you, there is no profession dignified or more essential or more ripe with financial opportunities than farming. Today, bring your education, bring your technology, and bring your innovation to the land. Farming today is agribusiness. It is about science. It's about branding. It's about adding value. Come, let's teach you the wisdom of soil, and in turn, teach us the new way of the world. Let us live this celebration together with renewed purpose. Let us continue to respect the land, to work with honesty, and to stand together. Let us go forward with confidence, knowing that the best harvest is still ahead of us. May God bless our land. May God bless Ghana. May God bless Mangoase land. Thank you.
Paco TV. Experience the thrill of TV.